Some of you guys asked me to do this video in the dark so you can see the color of the light. So here we are in the dark. So this is kind of set to the maximum light. There you can see the LEDs flashing. So I'm going to give you all of the modes. Okay, so first of all, off. You can still see the OS light here on the side. So that would be either Mac OS, Windows, or something different. Cap locks is that one there. Okay, so let me just switch that back on. So this is back to my favorite setting, which is supposed to be just the typing keys and the number keys. The F and keys are off. Okay, so here's one where you have the typing keys on this side and the number keys. This is a popular gaming mode, as you can see. Okay, so nothing happens when I press the keys. The lights stay exactly the way they are. The second one illuminates more of the typing area and none of the arrow keys. The next one, this is my favorite one that I aforementioned, which shows me all of the typing numbers happily. Now, I can't really see what I'm doing, unfortunately, so that is the maximum where everything is highlighted, as you can see. Okay, so let's go with the directional lights now. Okay, this is back to my favorite one. This is the blinking lights. So it just basically fades off and back on periodically. Next one. Next one. So that stays off until you press a button, okay? And then it does this and then fades off again. Okay, next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. This stays off, okay? Obviously you can see the blue light there for the OS. Okay, when we hit the button, it then does this pattern. Okay. Next one, same thing. When you hit the button, it shines the light of the line you are. So bottom line shines this color, middle line green, top line blue, numbers. Okay. Next one, just completely bright again. So we're moving to a different segment. These are faster moving light effects now. Okay. 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 So in this format, it stays dark. When you hit the button, it kind of glows. Okay, which is quite cool. Okay, next one. It kind of all stays illuminated, and it does this when you hit the buttons. You can see. Okay, next one. Okay, nothing happens when you hit the buttons, but it does this sort of light effect. Next one does this. Nothing happens when you hit the buttons, I don't think. Wait, actually something does happen. Whoa. Very cool. Next one. Next one. Very cool. Next one. Random, crazy pattern. Very random, very crazy. Next one. Next one. Very cool. Next one. Another random crazy one. Well, it's not random, it's doing waves, as you can see. Next one. This is the illuminated keyboard from a distance. Okay, so I'm standing about 2 meters away from the keyboard. You can see it illuminating a little bit of my window curtains there. Okay, that looks super cool.